So you can see build is done. So let's view this, how it looks. Okay, you can see, so landing page is ready. If you want to use DeepSeek version 4 for free in your VS Code, this video is for you. So let's see how you can use this for free, no API cost. So first of all, you have to come this website like a OpenRouter, and you have to create an account. Okay, so I have already created an account, and from here you can go to profile, and we have to create a API key, an API key. So here we can see we have API keys. So we are coming to this later. So first of all, we need to install OpenCode. Okay, because we are doing this using OpenCode. So just come to this website OpenCode AI. Okay, so just copy it and go to your VS Code terminal or any kind of terminal. So I am going to VS Code, and I will install it from VS Code. So just opening the terminal and paste it here. Okay, so I have installed it already. So you need to just install. You can see here is the version showing. So I have already installed. So after that, we have to install extension, the OpenCode extension, to use it here properly. So you can search OpenCode. You will see this extension. So you have to install this one. So I already installed it. So just install it, and then I will show you. So it will be opened for you when you first time install it. So just I am creating a file. So here you can see already showing this OpenCode. So you can just click here and it will be open. Okay, so now we have to connect the API key to use this properly. So here, so we'll go back to OpenRouter and create a new API key. So click here, and I'm just giving the name and leave it blank. No need to do anything, just create. Just copy the API key, then go back to your VS Code, and here I have already integrated it, but I am showing you how you can integrate. So here you will see lots of options. To connect the API, we need first of all the provider. So we'll select the provider. Okay, connect provider. We need connects. So just connect, click here, and you can see there are lots of provider, but we'll search OpenRouter. Here we can see we have OpenRouter, and it will ask for API key. The API key we just created, so just paste it here and just submit, and it's connected already. And you will see there are lots of models you can use by OpenRouter. So we are going to use DeepSeek version 4. Just click here, DeepSeek, or also you can search from there. So you can see here already we have set up the DeepSeek version 4. So then let's ask who are you? Okay, so you can see it's a DeepSeek version Flash. So now if we want to create anything, we can just do it from here, and there are lots of model you can use already. And if you want to switch the models, just click here, and here you will see models / models. Just click it and you can switch the model. Let's create a landing page. So you can see build is done. So let's view this, how it looks. Okay, you can see, so landing page is ready. This is how you can use DeepSeek version 4 and other models for free using OpenRouter and OpenCode in your VS Code. So I hope this video will be helpful. Let's see you in the next video. Thanks.